this is a single indicator I made which has 3 exponential moving averages, 3 simple moving averages, and a Bollinger Band integrator into it. That's a total of 7 indicators combined into one. As you can see, I can enable each of them individually or all 3 of them at once, which obviously is a mess, but you get my point, right? Today, we're going to learn how you can also integrate your favorite indicator into one without any programming knowledge in a couple of easy steps. Finally, you can get rid of this pop-up window in TradingView, which is very annoying by the way. We'll also learn how to trigger an alert when certain conditions are met as per your requirements. For example, to trigger an alert when the 50 EMA crosses above 200 EMA. To get started, open the Pine Editor menu in the bottom left corner. Now here is where we're going to write the program.
Are you serious right now, bro?
I know. I said no programming skills are needed, so why are we even writing a program? Trust me, we're just writing 2 lines of code. It's that easy. Now click on open, then go ahead and select new indicator. Here's where we're gonna write our code. Let's start by drawing 200 EMA on the chart. So type ta.ema and inside the brackets, give the source as close, which means EMA will be calculated based on the close of each candle. Then give 200 as the length of the EMA. Just like that, we created 200 EMA. Now let's name it as EMA 200. You can give it any name you like. It doesn't really matter. Now all we need to do is plot it on the chart. So inside the plot function, give the name of the EMA and the color you like. That's it. We are done. Now click save. Then click on add to chart button. Here you can see the EMA has been drawn on a separate chart, but we wanted to draw it on the main chart. To fix this issue, go to the indicator function and set overlay to true. Now save the code. Make sure you remove the indicator from the chart, then click add to chart button again. As you can see, that's our 200 EMA plotted on the chart. Now let's create 50 EMA. Let's go back to the code, copy paste these 2 lines. Change the length from 200 to 50, change the name to EMA 50, here you can give any name. Now let's change the color to blue. Click save, there we go. Now we have the second EMA on the chart. You can create more EMAs just by copy pasting the code again and again and changing the name and the length as you like. If you want to display only certain EMAs on the chart, you can go to indicator settings, then go to styles, and now you can enable or disable EMAs as you like. This is not the end. You can also add other indicators into the script such as SMAs, Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI, and much more. For example, this is a code to integrate Bollinger Bands. I know this is a bit more complicated than the previous code, but it is not that hard to learn. TradingView itself provides us PineScript documentation. So to access it, go to Google and type PineScript documentation, and here you can find answers to all your questions. Now let me show you something even cooler. Let's say you wanted to set an alert if the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA, which is a sign of a bullish market. This is easily possible using PineScript. So let's go back to our previous code. Now type if EMA 50 is greater than EMA 200, then go to the next line and press tab. Then type alert, and inside the alert function, give your alert message. Let's give 50 EMA crossed 200 EMA. So this message will be popped up every single time when the alert gets triggered, and give the frequency as once per bar close. Now click save, then go ahead and click on create alert. And in this window, inside the condition, when you open it, you can see our script name. So select our script, then click on create. Now when you open the alert window, you can see our alert has been created over here. Now whenever the 50 EMA crosses about 200 EMA, we get this alert with this message. Isn't that cool?
Oh my!
You can do the same for a cross down. Just reverse the greater than symbol and obviously the message. You can do almost anything with this tool. Your imagination is the limit. That's how I built the automatic highs and lows indicator ultimate. This indicator automatically draws highs, lows, order blocks, break of structure, and change of character on the chart. This indicator even has order blocks, charge, and BOS alerts. You can even apply this indicator to multiple time frames, which is really cool. You can get this indicator from my website if you are interested. The link is in the description. I'll also attach the link for the multiple indicator in the description, which which you can access for free. Now let's see how you can export the indicator you created and use it forever, just like any other indicator. So to do that, make sure the indicator is added to the chart by clicking add to chart button. This is very important. Then click on publish indicator. Here select publish new script. Then give a name for this indicator. Give some random description. It doesn't really matter because we are not going to publish this indicator publicly. We are going to private the script. Now choose a category here. You can give anything. So let's give EMA for example. Make sure you selected private, not public, because if you publish it, TradingView will take down your indicator. Now for the visibility, choose open. Then go ahead and click publish private script. Once it's published, scroll down, then click add to favorite indicator button. Now whenever you want to use this indicator, go to indicator window, make sure you are in the favorite session, and you will be able to find your indicator here. By the way, if you want to know more about the highs and lows indicator, check out this video right here. Click before the timer runs out.